Whether it's through science, technology, engineering, the arts, or math, our students are discovering new ways to express themselves, solve problems, and create opportunity.
Okay. The black lock. There you go. There's your box. There you go. Did you get it?